Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right here again today with the bees. Now I gotta be real honest with you, today I had no intention of making a video on these bees today. Quite frankly, I'm a little bit miserable. I went on a really long bike ride yesterday. My legs are sore, my knee hurts, and I just wanted to come out here and see what the bees were doing. But got a couple of subscribers that are really good friends of mine actually that love my bee footage. Now, bee footage doesn't really get all that many views. It's just there's not a lot of people watch the bee footage, so I try not to do it too often. But anyway, so if you like the video, hit the like button and you subscribe, so I know that y'all are actually enjoying the content. Uh, Keaton Cole, I hope you appreciate this because this video is for you. Keaton Cole has a little YouTube channel over there. Go check him out. He's got a video on there where he blew up a laptop with some tannerite. That's pretty cool. Y'all need to go check it out. Y'all need to actually try to go over there, comment, and try to encourage him to make more videos. Here's to you, Keaton. Anyway, so let's get into this hive. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I came out here, put water on it. They had just absolutely went stale on me. They were still here, but we really think that they were looking for water. And last time I was out here, I put a frame feeder in there full of water. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up again while I'm out here. Now, I'm seeing a lot more activity on these bees today already. Looking at the front of the hive, there's a lot more pollen coming in. Now, another note is it's about 20 degrees cooler today than it was that a couple of weeks ago because it's only 82, around 80 or so. And last time we were out here, it was well over 100 degrees. It was hot. Bees were testy. I was testy. Nobody really wanted to be out here messing with this. But yeah, so I'm seeing a lot more activity, a lot more pollen, a lot more whole bunch of stuff going on down there today. The bees are more in and out. I really think the foragers are going out and actually finding some of this pollen that's around here. Instead of looking for water like they have been. So let's get in here. I want to look at this honey super and see if they're putting pollen up in there yet. And I'm trying this with the GoPro today. I've never used the GoPro while doing this. It's been a while since I used the GoPro at all, but I want y'all to really see what I got going on in here. So, see if we can make that happen. All right, we're just gonna pop a frame out right here in the middle and see if the bees are up in there working. But I don't know if they're actually putting any pollen or what they're doing up there. So we're just gonna pop one right out of the middle and see what they're doing in there. Last time I was out here, the bees were very testy and I got stung several times. I don't particularly enjoy wearing a suit all the time, so I generally don't. Let's see what we got here. Well, it looks about like it did last week. I don't see any kind of nothing on that side. I don't see any kind of nectar or pollen or anything in there. Let's check the one right next to it. Yeah, these bees kind of ate me up last time I was in them without a suit, so I decided today I was going to suit up. I just got tired of that. That gets old. See what we got on this one. I don't see any kind of nectar, any kind of pollen or anything on that one either. And it looks like they're still building out wax on it though, throwing out comb. Yeah, it's about the same as it was last time I looked in there. Alright, so there's just not a whole lot of new activity going on up in the honey super yet. Really don't know that I'm going to get any honey out of the honey super this year. I was kind of hoping I would, but first year on a hive? Probably not. So I know some people say they get 30 to 40 pounds of honey the first year. I'm not seeing that myself. But next year, this is going to be a productive hive. So let's get into this top hive body where I got the frame feeder in there. We got to put some water in there to keep them hydrated, so we don't wind up in the same situation. It still hadn't rained. It's cooler than it was, but it still just has not rained much around here. But at least we've had some rain. Well, let's see what we got in here. They didn't like that much at all, did they? Here, look at all them bees in there. Plenty of them. Yes, sir. Let's pull one of these out. What we got? All right. This thing here is in here tight. I kind of struggled with it, getting it in there. I pulled my frame apart. Dadgummit. Well, gotta get a frame out of there somewhere, don't I? There comes one. Yeah, I'm still pulling some wax out. Set that right there. I'll get another one out, see what's in there. They've been drinking that water up. Yeah, they got this stuff sealed up good in here now. These bees have been busy in here. Yeah, there's nectar in there. Lots of nectar. See the shiny stuff right around in here? That's all nectar. This one right here full of pollen. Yeah, these bees are not happy with me being in their hive. Would you be? God, dog it. Still got me. Well, they got riled up on that one. Whatever I did, they didn't like it. I think I'm moving too fast for them. That little brood. They look to be doing real well in here. Is anything been concerning there? Oh man. Woo wee. They didn't like that. That got them stirred up. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I decided to wear my coveralls today. I've been ate up right now. They're pelting me all over the place. So we're gonna put this thing back together, let them have their peace. I'm not gonna get into that bottom box today. I don't see any reason for it. Wow. Yeah, I got them stirred up. I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in this hive feeder, and so they can stay hydrated. And then we're gonna get out of here. Well, I'd say these bees have come a long way since I put some water on them. Yeah, there's a lot more bees in here. They're a lot more active. I think they're doing a lot better. I really believe they were just like dehydrated in the heat and all that kind of stuff over the past month or whatever it was. I mean, we've had some extremely high temperatures, 100, 110 plus, and I think they were just, and it hadn't rained all summer up until the past week. Kind of like washing your car. You want it to rain, put water in your beehive, then it'll rain. All right, well, I'm fixing to close this thing back up. Let these bees get back to whatever it is they do, and give them a break, because they're not liking me in here right now at all. So, anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, I don't know if y'all are enjoying the bee content, the bee videos or not. Like I said, they don't get a whole lot of views, but it is something I enjoy doing. I've actually enjoyed this, even though I got stung. It's still enjoyable. Rile the bees up, it's enjoyable. This is actually kind of cool. So, but y'all give me like I said before, y'all give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it, so other people can see the video. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed. See y'all on the next one.